In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Google Pixel 9a. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. I'm gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and let's tap on power off in order to shut down the phone. Once the device is completely off, now we can press the power button and volume down button, and we need to hold it until we are in the fast boot mode, which should take like 3 seconds or so. There we go. Now we are in the fast boot mode. We navigate by using volume up and down. Over here we can change these options, and you need to find the recovery mode, and then confirm by pressing the power button. Now let's see what happens next. The phone will restart and you will see the Android, that Android with the no command text. So now we have to press and hold the power button and then press volume up. There we go. And we are in the Android recovery mode. Over here we navigate once again by using volume buttons, and of course we confirm our choice by pressing the power button. And next, what you can do, if you want to, for example, exit the recovery mode, you can simply choose the reboot system now option. So select it and press power button in order to confirm. And now our device should restart and load the normal mode back again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.